Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Welcome, welcome. We're here at the real estate event, and I'm with Simple Sales. I'm looking at two agents here. Hello.
Hello.
And it's $100 monthly fee, E&O included, because they want more agents. There's $295, $495 transaction fee. Oh, they're a flat rate brokerage, no hidden fees. Where do you find them? SimpleSalesAgent.com. All right. Tell me your name, sir.
My name's Tommy. I'm the broker for Simple Sales, and we're here to build a business that my wife and I had been looking for years, and we couldn't find anywhere. So we built something that fit the agent that is looking to be more than just an agent. Maybe they want to build out a team. Maybe they want to eventually get to their own brokerage. Well, that's why we built this style. You're basically running your business for a very low rate to make sure you can get the things in place you need to build your business, not ours.
That sounds so supportive and unique.
Absolutely. I'm available by phone. I am your broker of record. I would be there to assist you in anything you need transaction-wise or business-wise. We're not just here to help you through the hard times in the transaction, but business goes up and down. You got to have a level playing field throughout the year. How do you do that? You come talk to me, we get you set up.
Oh, I love this. Love this. And you are?
I'm Jackie Sinclair. I'm the wife. I'm actually the owner of Simple Sales.
Just saying.
And I'm an agent as well. We're based out of Southern California, but we service all of the state of California. So if you're looking for something that puts more money back in your pocket, gives you the freedom to build the business you want, no restrictions on advertisement or color scheme, any of that kind of stuff, then you come talk to us and we will get you all set up.
This is like riding the freedom train right here.
That's exactly what we got told over and over again, you can't do that, you can't do that. And we got tired of hearing no. It's like, this is how we want to brand ourselves. This is what we want to be known for. And so we're going to go out and do it. And we did it.
Okay, I love that. I love that. And then you have this other gig going on here. What's this?
So right now, anybody that throws their business card in, we're giving away a cruise. However, this leads into something more with the company because we have the ability to get certificates like this for you and your clients. So if you sell a house and you want to give a closing gift, how about giving them a cruise or a 7-day vacation? We can help you do that at such a minimal cost because we have other businesses that we affiliate with our real estate business. So.
Seriously. All right, you have it. Now, people who see this video, how will they contact you?
Well, there's a couple ways to get a hold of us. You can go simplesaleagent.com. You can contact me directly, Tommy Sinclair. You can do that either through my phone number, which is 925-596-5365, or if you go onto the website, there's a spot to schedule an appointment with me directly. So you can jump on there, you can schedule an appointment. It's about a 30-minute consultation. Ask me the questions, we see if we fit. Not everybody fits this business, we understand that. We want to make sure you understand what you're getting into.
It's all good. So that would be SimpleSalesAgent.com.
That's correct, SimpleSalesAgent.com.
All right, what a pleasure it is. Thank you for spending some time. And we'll see you soon.
Yeah.
Okay, so make sure that you comment. We'd love to hear from you. Go ahead and share this and subscribe. And talk to you soon. Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com.
Bye, y'all. Bye now. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.
Simple Sales.